Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a list in Python. So here you can see I have variables related to areas in square meters. So we have the area of hallway, kitchen, living room, bedroom and bathroom. So I'm going to create a list of different lists. So how you can do it? So these variables are related to areas of a house. So I am going to create a variable house and I am going to create a list. Okay, so I'm using the square bracket, and the first one is, again, I'm using a list of lists, so I'm using again square bracket, and the first variable is for hallway, so I'm making a string hallway and then using the comma sign, and then I am here using the variable name which is hall. Okay, and then I use the you can say comma again. So this is our first list. Now we are going to create our second list with again the sign of square bracket using the quotation marks for the string, and here is the second variable kitchen. Okay, this one again we are going to create a list within list. The third list name is you can say living room, and using the variable live. Then the fourth one which is bedroom, so bedroom comma bed, and the last one will be bathroom, so bathroom comma bath. And here we are closing this list with using the square bracket again. So if you notice, let me make it some easy to read code. First one, so these are the list within list. This one is third one, this one is fourth one, and this one is fifth one. Okay, make it more easier for you to understand. So we create a list. First we create a variable and then we create a list of lists. So this is first list, second, third, fourth and the fifth one. So I'm going to just okay. So now we are going to print this variable house. So I am just using the function print, and in the parentheses I'm going to use the variable house, and at the last we are going to print the variable. We are going to check the type of this variable. So here we go. Okay, so just run this code and let's see what's happened. Okay, so we basically get the output here. A hallway have 11.25, area kitchen have 18.0, living room have 20.0, bedroom have 10.75, bathroom have 9.5, and this class of this variable type is list. So hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.